What should be included in a profile summary on Naukri?
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to talk about an important aspect of job hunting, creating a powerful profile summary on Naukri.com. This summary is the first thing potential employers see, so it's critical to make it impactful and concise.
What is a profile summary?
A profile summary is a brief overview of your professional qualifications, experiences, and skills. It's like an elevator pitch that should effectively communicate who you are, what you offer, and what you're looking for in your career. Remember, your profile summary should be a high-level overview that entices recruiters to delve deeper into your profile.
What to include in your profile summary?
When crafting your profile summary, focus on the following key elements: professional title and experience. Start with your current job title and the total number of years of experience you have in your field. Key skills. Highlight your core competencies and technical skills relevant to the job you're seeking. Ensure these skills match the ones in the job descriptions you're interested in. Achievements. Mention any significant achievements or awards that you've earned in your career. Quantify these achievements if possible. Career goals. State what you're aiming to accomplish professionally. This can include the types of roles, industries, or opportunities you're interested in.
Best practices for writing a profile summary.
Here are some tips to create a stellar profile summary. Be concise. Stick to 3 to 5 sentences, or a maximum of 50 words. Avoid unnecessary jargon. Use keywords. Use keywords relevant to your industry and job role. These help in getting your profile noticed by recruiters who use keyword-based searches. Proofread. Make sure your summary is error-free. Grammatical errors and typos can leave a negative impression. Update regularly. Keep your summary updated with your latest roles, skills, and achievements. In conclusion, your profile summary on Naukri.com is your ticket to getting noticed by recruiters. Therefore, investing time in creating a strong, concise, and clear summary can significantly increase your chances of landing your dream job. Hope this guide was helpful and best of luck with your job search.